Hey guys, it's Kimmi.
Hey, this is Jeff.
Hey guys, this is a sad day for us, our family here in Georgia. We got to show y'all, we are at Bahama Breeze. And guess what? You probably heard the word on the street. Business. So we are here live at the one in Duluth. There are other people who have been coming up here. Those people in the car over there. People in the car over there. So people are coming up here and just saying their final goodbyes. This restaurant holds a lot of memories for us. And we used to come here all the time and have ladies' nights and trying to get the camera just right, y'all. Have ladies' nights, and I mean, Bahama Breeze was just a vibe. If you couldn't go to Jamaica, you felt like you were in Jamaica. The music, my favorite food was the habanero wings and the Cajun pasta. Oh God, just so many years we've been coming here. Jeffrey had a lot of stories. You wanted to share really quick? And again, for the best ladies' night, y'all.
Yeah, real quick. I used to work right around the corner here at Assurant for 22 years, and throughout the years, we would always come here for lunch, department lunches and stuff like that. So a lot of memories of me walking up here, leaving out. And
you used to walk over here?
No, we just walking up the steps, and
we would I thought he meant walking from
and sit at the bench on the bench there waiting for them to call us and all that stuff. And I can remember us. We had sat on that side over there. We had some dinners or something, us, Kim and I, and over here. The last time I've been over here has been.
Yeah, they got a nice little outside area here. They had like heat elements out there, so you can sit out there no matter what time of the year.
And we just met another couple out here.
Yes, another couple. I showed them
out here.
So you see the
last 3
trees.
nights.
Yeah.
And they
got a chance to come and eat one more time. We did not even get a
planning,
chance. We were planning to come. What you want to tell them? Come.
The firecracker shrimp or something like that. And
but tell them we was coming on Sunday.
Yeah, we were planning to come on Sunday, and Kim couldn't find it.
We can fix the sign. Come on.
Kim couldn't find it on the Google Maps. She kept saying that she couldn't find it, and finally I told her, look at Google Maps, and then it said it's permanently closed. And so we pulled up, and here's the sign. You showed the sign?
I did. Permanently closed. Let me zoom in on it. So that's a wrap on Bahama Breeze, y'all. Talking about visit our sister location, Olive Garden. We went to Bahama Breeze, feel like we're in Jamaica. All right. Well, anyway, we thought we'd just share that with y'all. If you too are craving Bahama Breeze, if you're in Georgia, in the Gwinnett area, the one at Barrett Parkway is open until September. Yeah. They are supposed to close in April according to the news. But let me show y'all, they got the dumpsters. Look at that. No more Bahama Breeze, people. No more. I wish I could take a palm tree home with me. All right, well, we out with you. If you are, just a public service announcement. If you are in Georgia, go to the one at Barrett Parkway in Kennesaw. Until later, guys. Hasta luego. Bahama Breeze. You want to say bye? I hope he ain't about to cry, y'all. He said, nah, I think he about to cry. They had a lot of work meetings here. Okay, people, until next time, bye.